Functional testing of smoke detectors is required by international codes and standards. Failure to test in line with these standards can not only lead to invalid insurance and prosecution, but offers no guarantee that the detector will respond correctly in the event of a fire. The majority of smoke detectors are tested using a telescopic pole and a test head, such as the Solo and Testifier ranges. When the tester is placed over the detector, a smoke stimulus is released, which tests the detector's ability to recognize smoke and go into alarm. However, there are situations where, due to access, this method isn't practical, and if used, it attracts high costs and additional labor. In some situations, this also means that the detector that is hard to access is sometimes left untested and non-compliant. Now, a new innovation makes the functional testing of hard-to-access detectors as easy as testing detectors that are within reach. The Scorpion functional tester is permanently installed adjacent to the detector. It is wired back to an access point, which is located conveniently elsewhere in the building. When the detector needs to be tested, the engineer simply connects a controller to the access point and initiates a function test of the detector. This is without the need for additional access equipment or labor, which incurs cost and significant time and effort to coordinate. Scorpion eliminates disruption and allows for normal building operations during testing. For example, in the case of a lift shaft, this means that the lift is no longer taken out of service in order for the detector to be tested. In the case of atria or stairwells, there is no need for access equipment. Secure areas no longer need to be entered for routine testing. Scorpion is suitable for point and aspirating smoke detection systems and can be installed onto both existing and new fire alarm systems. It has been installed in a wide range of different locations where access is difficult. Some of the most common buildings Scorpion has been installed include hospitals, universities, concert halls, shopping centers, and airports. In summary, anywhere where access to the detector is difficult. Scorpion offers simple, compliant, cost-effective testing of all hard-to-access smoke detectors, regardless of location. It reduces maintenance costs by minimizing the time taken to test these detectors and completely eradicates physical access costs. Scorpion. No access, no excuses.